This video is sponsored by Bruce Wayne. Tell you what, it's not all Jaffa cakes and high tea on the lawn. I'm in a car today in hot season. It's 40 degrees and I've got no aircon. Wish me luck. We're going to go and see some heavy Americans today.
But because I don't have a spare money a lot in the company, that's why I need to work and create the project to make it happen.
To make your dream work.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah.
Wow. We're back in the suburbs of eastern Bangkok today to look at a really cool little business. A business that plans to reduce its carbon footprint dramatically over the next couple of years. I first visited this place last year and was truly blown away. The owner, Mr. Pachan, runs an extremely tight ship, a real smooth operation, and some of the vehicles that come through here are quite extraordinary when they're finished. Now, I'm no car expert, so I can't tell you exactly what everything is, what size the engines are and that sort of thing, the years of the cars. We'll leave that to CB Media. But I'll show you around and we'll have a good chat with the owner, because the owner has a dream. The owner has a big dream, and I just know he's going to turn that dream into a reality, as he already has done with so many of his clients in the past. Welcome to Siam Autos. So let me introduce you to Kun
Pisan.
Kun Pachan. Kun Pachan, Kunอยู่ที่นี่มานานเท่าไรแล้วครับ
อ๋อผมอยู่ที่นี่มา2 ปีณตอนนี้ผมอยู่ที่นี่มา2 ปีเมื่อก่อนผมอยู่ที่พระราม9 64พระราม9 64
พระราม9
ก่อนหน้านี้ผมก็มีอู่แบบเนี้ยอยู่ที่พัฒนาการแต่ว่ามันเล็กผมเลยต้องย้ายมาหาที่มันใหญ่ขึ้นและรองรับธุรกิจทั้งจากัวแลนด์โรเวอร์แล้วก็รถคลาสสิก
ครับทำไมคุณถึงรักรถอเมริกันรุ่นแก้วมากครับ
จริงๆแล้วเบสิกผมเริ่มจากชีวิตช่างเริ่มจากไครสเลอร์
ครับ
เสร็จแล้วไครสเลอร์บริษัทล้มละลายเมื่อปี 2000 ผมก็เลยมาแลนด์โรเวอร์จากแลนด์โรเวอร์ก็เลยคิดที่จะสร้างรถดัดแปลงขึ้นเป็นธุรกิจเพิ่มเติมประมาณนั้นครับ you can ask in English.
Yeah, I think I'm just going to ask you in English. It's going to be
Yeah.
easier, isn't it? So
Yeah.
tell me a little bit about your business now.
โอเคจริงๆแล้วธุรกิจตรงเนี้ยผมก็จะทำจากัวแลนด์โรเวอร์เสร็จแล้วก็เลยเพิ่มธุรกิจเพิ่มเติมของบริษัทขึ้นมาก็คือทำรถดัดแปลงเพราะว่าผมทำรถดัดแปลงมาประมาณ 7-8 ปีแล้วณวันนี้แล้วผมทำให้มันถูกกฎหมายฉะนั้นทุกอย่างมันน่าจะต่อยอดต่อได้ครับประมาณนั้น
And right now, what is your dream project? If you could get a car for yourself,
Yep.
what would be your dream project?
คือตอนนี้เรากำลังทำรถ EV ที่เป็นรถคลาสสิกซึ่งมันน่าจะดูดีกว่ารถ EV ที่อยู่ในท้องตลาดทั่วไปแต่ว่าเป็นในบอดี้ของคลาสสิกผมว่าน่าจะมันกว่าครับน่าจะสนุกกว่า
Very, very interesting, I think. That.
Yeah.
And now I'm just going to go and have a little look around. Which car should I look at? Do you think today? Which is your favourite project here?
สำหรับจากสยามออโต้ทีมผมมองว่าถ้าเป็นรถ4ประตูมันเป็นอะไรที่ยากมากเนื่องจากว่าเราใช้คนทำเราใช้คนสร้างด้วยมือจากหัวเดียวเป็น4ประตูซึ่งจิมสามารถดูได้ว่ามันหินมากในการที่จะสร้างขึ้นมาครับ
Okay. And sorry to put you on the spot, but roughly, if one of my viewers wanted to buy a classic car from you,
Yep.
roughly how long would it take?
Let's say ประมาณปีนึงปีนึงถึง15 เดือนหลังจากที่สั่งหัวจากอเมริกาเข้ามาตีซะว่า15 เดือน
Okay. And the cost, roughly?
ตอนเนี้ยเพื่อให้ผมอยู่ได้ลูกน้อง17 คนผมว่า4ประตูราคา 1.5 ล้านบาทเป็นตัวเลขที่เหมาะสมณวันนี้
Thank you very much. Yeah. I'm just looking at the board behind you there. Some of those cars on there just make me wow. Incredible. Yeah. Right, I'm gonna go look at some cars, yeah?
Yes, and I can show you at a EV room.
Yes, please.
That's my dream.
Thank you very much. Kun Pachan's going to show us the EV place, the dream. I'm going to go around through here.
So actually the EV project it was started for 2 years already, but my main guy he already left without any permission. He just left it.
Okay.
And then today I have to moving forward, and I hope within this year the EV must run.
Wow.
Yeah.
And sorry, which body?
You can put any pickup with the rear axle for the rear axle.
If I had the money, I think you can build my dream car.
Okay.
I think you have the perfect solution there. Is the old classic car? And
Yes.
Electric.
Yes.
Electric motor.
Plus, you will get the automatic transmission. That's more easy for you to drive.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how quick do you think you can make a car go with this?
It's 200 horsepower.
Okay.
It should be enough for fun and everyday driving.
Yes, I think so. And have you built any EV cars before? Or?
No, this is the first project.
New project.
This is the first project. But because I don't have spare money a lot in the company, that's why I need to work and create the project to make it happen.
To make your dream work.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah.
Wow. Yeah. You're quite an inspiration. I think my viewers are going to like what you're saying because it's the future of the earth, surely.
Yeah.
You know, to be able to go green and do things like this. Incredible. As I said, I came here last year and I just saw loads of really cool cars that I liked, and I thought I'd come back and film it and show you the operation. I thought it was just a classic car, predominantly American restoration modification company. And that in itself I thought was really cool because they were doing lots of trucks and things like that. And the prices, much better than in the States or the UK, for example. But I found something much bigger. The owner, Pachan, has a dream. There's a few companies doing what he's aspiring to start doing this year. But I'm not sure if this is unique in Thailand or not, but I know one thing, it's fantastic. If you've ever asked yourself the question, can you turn a classic car electric? Well, the answer is yes. Converting an old car from fuel to electric is going to give you more power, it's going to give you better torque, and it's going to increase the life of your car. It's going to extend it by years and years and years. So there's loads of upside to converting a fuel powered car into an electric one. And you know what, if I've ever got enough money in the future, I'm 100% going to buy a car or order a car through Siam Auto. I mean, think about it, for the price of a brand new pickup, you can have one from 1958 that looks the doggy's ding dong. You can have a 4-door, beautiful thing for 1.5. My goodness me. If you're living in Thailand and you got spare cash, come and see Kun Pachan.
It's a bit of a treasure trove here, but things come and go, you know. Wow, you have a large team.
Yes.
How many people do you have working here?
17.
Oh,
17.
that's really good.
Let's say 20,000 baht per day for the labor fee.
That's quite a lot of outgoings,
Yeah,
okay.
that's right.
I can see. So, for example, just for personal interest, when something like this is finished,
Yeah.
how much would that cost me?
1.2, 1.2, something like that.
Do you know what? That's the same price as a Ranger, and it is so much more beautiful.
Yeah.
Wow, okay. I like this. This is the dream for me.
Okay. Oh, this one is the first export to Australia. That's one.
Oh, the first ever.
Yeah, the first export.
Okay.
Market. Yes.
Okay. Wow.
And the owner, his name is Jason.
Okay.
With Thai wife.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. And what year is this car?
1950. 1950.
And something caught my eye. I was wondering what this car was at the back.
Oh, the Caddy 1955.
90. Okay. Beautiful. I tell you what. Next time I'm looking to buy a car,
Yeah.
I don't think I'm going to buy a pickup. Honestly, if this
Okay.
1.2 and the Chevrolet, roughly.
Let's say for the four doors 1.5.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's an incredible price.
Yeah.
Wow.
It takes time. 1.5 year, 1 year, something like that. But when you
Worth
get it,
Worth
wow.
it. Wow, it's such character. Yeah, I'd like to shake your hand, say thank you for what you're doing, man. I really, honestly, this is incredible. It's when you drive about here, you see different things, but you don't expect. When my friend first brought me here, I really didn't expect this place, man.
Yep.
This is great. I tell you what, if I win the lottery, 100%, I'm going to come back and.
Okay.
100%.
Okay.
Thank you, man.
Take care.
I'll just film a little bit more and then.
Yep.
Thank you, man. Cheers. Cup on the cup. Appreciate that. Thank you, man. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Did I say thank you enough? This is absolutely brilliant. What a lovely guy as well. He's got a real passion for the cars, but he's got an even greater passion for the electric vehicles. Wow, look at this. It's going to take 12 to 15 months, but you could have this for about 1.5 million baht. Oh my God, be still my beating heart. What a passionate guy. He's doing all this to feed his real love, and that's for electric vehicles. He wants to get classic cars, fantastic classic cars such as this one right here, look, bluegrass country, and put electric motors in there. He said the electric motors are 200 horsepower and good to go, good to get you into trouble, so to speak. But what a wonderful place this is tucked away in Nonjok.
Just a quick note at the end here to support local businesses again. You know, a lot of people like to go support local businesses, obviously by eating local and going to the local corner shop rather than 7-Eleven. But when I say support local businesses, like I said, you've got a spare bit of cash. Why are you going to go and buy yourself a boring old car? You got 1.2, 1.5 million, go and buy yourself a boring car that everybody's got. Or you can have something quite unique and quite spectacular. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you'll go back and watch a few more. I've done hundreds of videos when nobody was watching, and I think some of the places I went to were actually pretty alright. Some of the videos aren't terrible. Anyway, if you enjoy this or any of the others, then please watch more. Thank you. Bye.
Bruce Wayne, superstar, came down from heaven on a Yamaha, did a skid, watched the vid, ran out of lyrics, not a songwriter am I?